bridge. Ah. Give me some bloody focus. Hey mate. Frank. Looks like a little Cessna. Interesting. DA40? Hello. Oh yeah. Singapore 787X. Oh yeah. Fokker 70. Be off to Brisbane. Gold Coast or wherever. Give me some bloody focus. Nice. Sexy little thing. He's out there. Trying to make. Probably off to Melbourne. Looking at that turn. Heading out over the city. Nice. Look into it. Nice turn. What I mean? Oh yeah. Qatar 989. Heading over to Melbourne. Big. Phone just does not want to focus today. Big dog. Hello, mate. Set PA34 again, doing low level minus flying. Yeah. Here he comes again. Getting closer. Look at that. 600 or 700 feet maybe. Very cool. Wonder if he's going to come over. He might. He did before. Don't know. Here he comes. PA34 Piper Seneca. Oh yeah, chuck it in. Give it. Throw it around. Oh yeah. Just don't see it at a critical angle of attack. He's not. He's doing very good turns. About 30 degrees of bank by the look of that. What a beauty. Might pop out here somewhere. Whee. Oh. He's going somewhere else. Mate. Oh yeah. The mighty A330. The pregnant guppy. Done it, mate. Boom. I knew I'd get you sooner or later. Ah. Ah. Got him. The Fokker turning finals. Ah, g'day Mr. Spy Plane. Hey mate. Qatar 4F A350-900 from Doha. G'day mate. Get that tree. Yeah. P8 Poseidon. The phone that doesn't want to focus on him. What a jerk! Hey! Ah. There's a second one. Cutting laps. Mariner 11 and Mariner 9. Because I don't know. Can't remember. Show your face. Come on, Joe. Come mate. Come mate. Come mate. Come mate. Come mate. Are you? Whoa! Get in that building. There he is. That's the Virgin jet that just did a go around. It's about 3,000 feet. That's low. Normally when they come over me, they're anywhere from 5,000 to 8,000 feet, depending on the path and the size of the jet. And there's another one right behind him. Not quite so high. Here. Go up. G'day, Mr. Moon. G'day, mate. Inbound. That's vertical. Whoa. There we go.